Aromatic sulphonic acids. Organic compounds containing sulphonic acid group, that is SO3H group, are called as sulphonic acids. When this SO3H group is directly attached to benzene ring or any aromatic ring, they are called as aromatic sulphonic acids. In other words, we can say that aromatic sulphonic acids are those organic compounds which contain SO3H, that is sulphonic acid functional group directly attached to aromatic ring. The best example of aromatic sulphonic acids is benzene sulphonic acid. In the previous period, we had seen how benzene sulphonic acid can be prepared from benzene. In that, we had seen that direct sulfonation of benzene using fuming sulfuric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid, benzene sulphonic acid can be prepared. Today, we are going to discuss different points now. Before that, we will see once again the syllabus, aromatic carboxylic acid and sulphonic acids. In that, benzene sulphonic acid, introduction, preparation of benzene sulphonic acid from benzene with mechanism, chemical reaction of benzene sulphonic acid, salt formation, formation of sulphonyl chloride, formation of sulphonic ester and amide, replacement of sulphonic group by hydroxyl group, cyano group, hydrogen atom, NH2 group. These are the points in benzene sulphonic acid. Today we are going to discuss different chemical reactions of benzene sulphonic acid. The first chemical reaction is salt formation reaction. In chemical reactions of benzene sulphonic acid, salt formation reaction of benzene sulphonic acid is very important. Aromatic sulphonic acids are strongly acidic in nature. As we know, SO3H group is acidic one. Therefore, benzene sulphonic acid is acidic in nature, strongly acidic in nature, and therefore they form stable salts with inorganic bases like hydroxides, oxides and carbonates. These salts are called as sulphonates. For example, benzene sulphonic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium benzene sulfonate. We can see here benzene sulphonic acid plus NaOH giving benzene sulfonate, that is the salt of benzene sulphonic acid. This is the first reaction in which benzene sulphonic acids form different salts with different hydroxides, oxides and carbonates. The example is given here. Benzene sulphonic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium benzene sulfonate. Benzene sulphonic acid reacting with NaOH giving benzene sulfonate. Benzene sulphonic acid reacts with calcium carbonate. With sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium benzene sulfonate, and with calcium carbonate, it gives calcium benzene sulfonate. See here, benzene sulphonic acid plus calcium carbonate giving calcium benzene sulfonate. The second reaction is salt formation, formation of sulphonyl chloride. Formation of sulphonyl chloride. Benzene sulphonic acid reacts with PCl5 or SOCl2 to form benzene sulphonyl chloride. Benzene sulphonic acid plus phosphorus pentachloride. There is formation of benzene sulphonyl chloride with the formation of POCl3 and HCl. In another reaction, benzene sulphonic acid reacting with SOCl2, that is thionyl chloride, and also there is formation of benzene sulphonyl chloride. The second reaction is benzene sulphonic acid plus SOCl2 giving benzene sulphonyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. This is second reaction, formation of sulphonyl chloride. That means here benzene sulphonic acid reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, that is PCl5, or thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, to form benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonic acid plus PCl5 giving benzene sulfonyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. This is the second chemical reaction of benzene sulfonic acid. Now, formation of sulfonic ester and amide. First of all, we will see ester formation. Benzene sulfonic acid reacts with PCl5 or SOCl2 to form benzene sulfonyl chloride, and that benzene sulfonyl chloride reacts with alcohol in the presence of base alkali to form esters called alkyl benzene sulfonates. See here, in this reaction there is formation of benzene sulfonyl chloride when it reacts with SOCl2 or PCl5, and that benzene sulfonyl chloride reacts with alcohol in the presence of alkali. This is alkali, that is NaOH, sodium hydroxide is used here, and there is formation of benzene alkyl. Here is alkyl group, therefore it is called as alkyl benzene sulfonate. This is general reaction. That means ester formation takes place when benzene sulfonic acid reacts with PCl5 or SOCl2 giving benzene sulfonyl chloride, which reacts with alcohols in the presence of base to form esters called alkyl benzene sulfonates. For example, benzene sulfonyl chloride reacts with methyl alcohol in the presence of NaOH to form methyl benzene sulfonate. The reaction given here is benzene sulfonyl chloride plus methyl alcohol, and there is formation of methyl benzene sulfonate. This is example of ester formation. That means benzene sulfonic acids do not react directly with alcohol. Firstly, they form benzene sulfonyl chloride and then they react with alcohol. बेंझिन सल्फोनिल क्लोराईड हे अल्कोहोल बरोबर डायरेक्टली रिॲक्ट न होत नाहीत, तर पहिल्यांदा ते PCl5 किंवा SOCl2 बरोबर रिॲक्ट होतील. त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला बेंझिन सल्फोनिल क्लोराईड मिळेल आणि तयार झालेला बेंझिन सल्फोनिल क्लोराईड अल्कोहोल बरोबर रिॲक्ट होईल आणि आपल्याला मिळेल अल्किल बेंझिन सल्फोनेट. त्याचं एक्झाम्पल आपण बघितलं आहे. बेंझिन सल्फोनिल क्लोराईड प्लस methyl alcohol in the presence of NaOH giving methyl benzene sulfonate. Amide formation then. Benzene sulfonic acid reacts with PCl5 or SOCl2 to form benzene sulfonyl chloride, as already discussed in the first reaction. In the second reaction, that is formation of sulfonyl chloride. That benzene sulfonyl chloride reacts with concentrated ammonia to form benzene sulfonamide. Here this benzene sulfonyl chloride reacts with ammonia. There is formation of benzene sulfonamide. That means here amide formation is taking place. That means when benzene sulfonyl chloride sulfonic acid reacts with PCl5 or SOCl2, there is formation of benzene sulfonyl chloride which reacts with ammonia to form benzene sulfonamide, and ammonium chloride is the byproduct here. That is benzene sulfonyl chloride reacting with ammonia giving benzene sulfonamide. This is the reaction. Now next reaction, replacement of sulfonic acid group by different groups. That means here there are three reactions. The first one is salt formation. With NaOH it gives benzene sulfonate. With calcium carbonate it gives calcium benzene sulfonate. With PCl5 or SOCl2 it forms benzene sulfonyl chloride. With alcohol it forms methyl benzene sulfonate or alkyl benzene sulfonate, but they react with alcohol react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, and there is formation of amide with benzene sulfonyl chloride plus ammonia, and These three reactions are very important. Now we'll see the replacement reactions of benzene sulfonic acid. Replacement of sulfonic group by different groups. For example, replacement of SO3H by hydroxyl group, there is formation of phenol. When sodium benzene sulfonate is fused with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, the sulfonate group is replaced by hydroxyl group to form phenol. See here, sodium benzene sulfonate is reacting with NaOH, there is formation of sodium phenoxide. In this reaction, we can see this is sodium benzene sulfonate. It is reacting with sodium hydroxide. There is formation of sodium salt here, that is sodium phenoxide, with the formation of sodium sulfite and water. This sodium phenoxide reacts with HCl and there is formation of phenol here. That means whenever sodium benzene sulfonate reacts with NaOH followed by HCl, it forms phenol. That means whenever SO3H group of benzene sulfonic acid is replaced by OH group, there is formation of phenol. That means see here, this SO3H group is replaced by OH group. That is, there is formation of phenol. That means here this SO3Na is replaced by OH. That means here this SO3H is replaced by hydroxyl group and there is formation of phenol. This is called as a replacement of sulfonic group by hydroxyl group, that is OH group. Now whenever SO3H group is replaced by cyano group, there is formation of nitrites. That means here sodium benzene sulfonate reacts with NaCN and there is formation of benzonitrile. This CN group is there, benzonitrile. We can see here SO3Na is replaced by CN. That means here SO3H is replaced by CN, there is formation of benzonitrile. That means whenever sulfonic acid group of benzene sulfonic acid is replaced by OH, there is formation of phenol. When there is SO3H group is replaced by cyano group, there is formation of benzonitrile. Now whenever there is replacement of SO3H by hydrogen atom, what will happen? There is formation of benzene here. That means we can write statement here, if benzene sulfonic acid is heated with dilute sulfuric acid or HCl, SO3H group is replaced by a hydrogen atom to form benzene. This reaction is called as desulfonation. That means here whenever SO3H group is replaced by hydrogen, there is formation of benzene and the reaction is called as desulfonation. See here the reaction. Here it is benzene sulfonic acid reacting with acid H+. That is H+ is coming from HCl or H2SO4. And there is formation of benzene which is having structure like this. The reaction takes place at 100 degrees Celsius. That means whenever benzene sulfonic acid is heated with dilute sulfuric acid or HCl, SO3H group is replaced by hydrogen atom to form benzene. This reaction is called as desulfonation reaction and you can show here benzene sulfonic acid plus H+. This is H+ ion, that is proton coming from H2SO4 or HCl. There is formation of benzene here by the replacement of SO3H group by EH. There is formation of benzene and the name of reaction is desulfonation. Aniline. SO3H group is replaced by NH2 group and there is formation of aniline. That means whenever benzene sulfonic acid reacts with sodamide, there is formation of aniline. That means here we can write the statement here. When sodium benzene sulfonate is fused with sodamide, the sulfonate group is replaced by NH2 group to form aniline. Here sodium benzene sulfonate is obtained from benzene sulfonic acid plus NaOH, as we had seen in the first reaction, that is salt formation reaction. सोडियम बेंझिन सल्फोनेटचं फॉर्मेशन आपण सॉल्ट फॉर्मेशनच्या पहिल्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे. म्हणजे बेंझिन सल्फोनिक ॲसिड हे NaOH बरोबर रिॲक्ट होईल, त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला सोडियम बेंझिन सल्फोनेट मिळेल. सोडियम बेंझिन सल्फोनेट ज्या वेळेला सोडामाइड बरोबर रिॲक्ट होईल त्यावेळेला आपल्याला ॲनिलिन मिळेल. आणि ह्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये आपण हा SO3H ग्रुप हा NH2 ग्रुपनं रिप्लेस केलेला आहे आणि म्हणून आपल्याला मिळालेला आहे ॲनिलिन. म्हणजे ज्या वेळेला SO3H ग्रुप हा NH2 ग्रुपनं रिप्लेस करतो त्यावेळेला आपल्याला ॲनिलिन ऑप्टेन होते किंवा मिळते. दॅट मीन्स हिअर द रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ SO3H ग्रुप बाय NH2 ग्रुप, there is formation of aniline. That means aniline formation will take place. These are the reactions. Now we'll see what type of questions may be asked in the examination. That is question bank. Explain following reactions of benzene sulfonic acid. First, salt formation, formation of sulfonyl chloride, formation of sulfonic ester, formation of amide. The second reaction, the second question may be like this. What happens when benzene sulfonic acid is reacted with following reagents? NaOH and HCl, NaCl, dilute H2SO4 or HCl, and NaNH2. If you write these questions, answers for these questions, that will be helpful for the examination.